I work with a technique that's called negative space. Now, negative space is a term known to people in the art world. And what that means is that I am painting everything around the subject. I never begin with the subject. I'm only painting what's around it. So I'm painting everything that I'm seeing, things that are behind the subject, around it, on top of it, below it. And in doing that, the subject itself appears. There's never any drawing on the canvas. There's no pre-drawing. There's no wash of all the different colors, the tonalities. It's direct painting, but it is negative space painting. So once I've painted everything around the subject, and then I can paint the subject. There's always a moment in every painting, and it happens at about 2/3 of the way into the process of painting the work, where it's a Greek word called ekstasis, which the word ecstasy comes from, and it means being outside of oneself. And there's always a moment in every painting when I go a little bit wild, I go mad, you know, that I need to pick up the energy, get that spontaneity going, that immediacy. And so I'm painting all over the canvas, and which I'm doing anyway. I'm always painting all over the canvas at once. I don't start in one spot and go to the next. I'm all over the canvas. But at this moment of ecstasis, it's uncontrolled. I'm not thinking about perspective. I'm not thinking about condensing the work. I'm not thinking about color, harmony, juxtaposition, contrast, light, shadow. I'm not thinking about anything. I'm thinking only about the immediacy and the life, catching the vibration of the life that I'm looking at, capturing that intense rapidity of nature that I can't see but I know is there. And this is always a really wonderful moment in the execution of the painting, and it leaves me exhausted, of course, and at the end of that I deconstruct the painting and then I reconstruct it again. This is all in the same setting, and at the end of that the painting is done.